all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how. Oh my, you're my broken love. Oh my, you're my broken love. It's all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how.
Ready? Introducing Plevo, the world's most innovative smart luggage set, with not just one, but 3 smart products: Runner, Infinite, and Up. All seamlessly connected to you, featuring the world's first garment hanger, easy access compartments so you can breeze through airport security. With the extra space provided by the expandable body, you'll never have to leave anything behind. Sadly, broken wheels are the #1 reason people buy new luggage, but not with Plevo. Our removable wheels ensure you'll keep on rolling forever. Smart Dashboard shows you everything that's happening with your Plevo at a glance. Wide handles provide consistent comfort throughout your travels. And a removable battery pack ensures you never run out of juice on any of your devices. Plevo arrived to revolutionize the outdated luggage industry and solve all the current travel hassles you face. Combining cutting-edge design, technology, and user experience in perfect harmony. That's how Plevo developed the first Morse code lock in luggage history, in addition to Touch ID and Face ID functions. Plevo provides the modern traveler with the ultimate experience. A built-in digital scale. Forget about paying fees for overweight luggage. Plevo's removable battery pack is compliant with all airline regulations, so you can travel worry-free. A smart travel assistant app so you can check all your flight details. We all know that going through security checkpoints at the airport sucks, but we've made it easier than ever before by adding a removable sleeve that gives you instant access to your electronics without having to open your bag. Distance alerts let you know when your luggage is coming to you at the carousel, so you can always keep track of your belongings. Don't waste any more of your valuable time discussing with airport staff. This journey has just begun, and we want you to be a part of it. Join us by backing our campaign and starting the Plevo revolution.
We all know the problem, right? Power strips. We have cords, bricks, AC adapters, and we can never get them to fit right. That's why we turn them inside out, we move them upside down, we block our power switch. It just isn't efficient. That's what's great about Pivot Power. We've crafted this thing to be flexible, so you can turn it into whatever direction you need to in order to fit all of your devices and plugs. So go ahead and plug in all those cords you never knew what to do with, and that's Pivot Power, a product invented together by Jake Zion and 709 people around the world.
We all throw food away sometimes. That's ending now with the latest kitchen innovation. Introducing Vacuvita,